Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video, I am going to tell you the importance of dictation while learning French and 6 best free resources to practice French dictation online. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in this video, firstly, we are going to understand the importance of doing dictation exercises while learning French. So in French, the dictation is known as la dictée. La dictée. I would recommend you to watch the video till the end because towards the second part of this video, I'm going to give you 6 best free resources for practicing French dictation online. And in case you like the video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. Now, the first reason that you should absolutely practice the dictation exercises while learning French is that it trains your ears to identify certain specific sounds, accents, and the intonations of the language. It basically improves your overall French language listening comprehension skills, and it also enables you to understand French native speakers in all the different contexts. The second advantage of practicing dictation exercises is that it helps you strengthen your spelling and vocabulary. Specifically in French, there are certain letters and there are certain combinations which are silent. Specifically, the last consonant in French is generally silent. So it helps you reinforce your correct spellings and to identify your spelling errors. Number 3, dictation exercises help you solidify your understanding of French grammar. By actively listening to the spoken sentences, I really believe that you will be able to identify the correct word orders, subject-verb agreements, you'll be able to identify the correct conjugations, adjectives, adverbs, their placements, and you will be able to form the correctly formed sentences in French. Number 4, all of you are aware that in French we use certain accents like accent aigu, accent grave, accent cédé, accent circonflexe, accent tréma. Now, dictation exercises help you correctly place your accents in the written text and to identify the sounds of each accent. Number 5, engaging in dictation challenges your memory and retention skills. When you listen to French and then write it, your brain automatically remembers certain words, vocabulary, grammatical structures, and idiomatic expressions. And last but not the least, these exercises allow you to practice French pronunciation and intonations. When you listen to an audio, you imitate the audio, you're able to grasp the French pronunciations very, very correctly. So basically, they help you produce the accurate French sounds and to improve your overall French language speaking skills. Now that we have learned why dictation exercises are so important while learning French, I'm going to give you 6 best free resources where you can practice the French dictation online. So for that, I'll take you to my screen. Now, I hope all of you can see my screen. On my screen, the first website that I have opened is dictate.tv5monde.com. I'm going to mention the links of all these websites in the description box below, and all these websites are completely free of cost. So let's just look at the first website, which is dictate.tv5monde.com. It's a wonderful website, and if you look here, there are all the levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. I'm going to show you for the A1 level. So let's just look at A1 level. How would you do? You need to
Depuis 1930, virgule, depuis 1930, virgule, tous les 4 ans, virgule,
so like
tous
that. There is an audio file which is going to be played, and in the text box, you need to write what you are hearing. And from here, you can select the accent, whatever accent you need. All the people who are going to take TEF or who have already taken TEF, they already know that this is the exact kind of virtual keyboard that you have on your screen. So by practicing this, you'll be able to increase your typing speed and you'll be able to practice the usage of the French accents. And here, after doing the dictée, you can click on OK. And when you click on arrêter, which means stop, it is going to show you your errors in the dictée. Now, the second website which you're seeing on your screen is podcastfrancaisfacile.com, which is also completely free of cost. Now, here I've chosen the level A1. You can choose any level as per your need. Now, you need to click on
.com. Dictée 1.
Like that.
Écoutez la dictée.
The only thing is that here you do not have the text box, so you will have to keep a pen and paper, and you can write whatever you are hearing. And here, when you click on voir la dictée, you'll be able to see the correct version of the text that they just spoke. And that way, you'll be able to rectify your errors. So again, that's a wonderful resource to practice your French dictations. The third website that I have for you is Dictali. Dictali. Now here, if you go to Dictée en ligne, again, completely free of cost. If you go to Dictée en ligne, you can choose any level. Let's say I am choosing facile. You can choose any topic. Let's say la maison. And commencer la dictée. Commencer la dictée, that means start your dictation. Here you need to play on the play button.
Elle n'est même pas.
Whatever you are hearing, let's say elle n'aime pas or whatever she said, you're going to type that. And from here, you can select the accent as per your need, just like you have in TEF examination. And when you are done with this, you can click on corriger. You'll be able to click on corriger. And you will be able to see your corrections. You have to basically sign up first. I haven't signed up, but when you sign up, then you'll be able to see your corrections here. Now, the fourth website that I have for you is toutenfrancais.tv. Again, completely free of cost. If you go here, you can choose your level. Let's say I am choosing A1 level again. So here it's quite easy because you're not going to hear the whole text, but the individual sentences. I'll do an example for you.
Je dois prendre le métro pour aller à l'université. Je dois prendre le métro. Je dois prendre le métro pour aller à l'université.
When you're done typing, just click on verify and you will be able to see your corrections here. If there is anything incorrect, they'll show you what is the correction. So again, a wonderful resource, completely free of cost, where you can practice your French dictations. Now, the fifth website that I have for you is dictée.orthodidact.com. Again, completely free of cost. You can choose your level. Let's say I'm choosing the A1 level. Here, choose any dictation. Let's say this one. Faire la dictée. Now here, there is a YouTube video which is going to play. The person is going to narrate a text. The person is going to say a text slowly since it is A1 level. And here in the text box, you need to write whatever you're hearing. Here you can choose your accents, just like you have in TEF. And here you can click on Valider la dictée to rectify your errors, to see the correct version of the text. I'll show you an example.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Le titre, mon ami.
Alors, mon ami.
Elle s'appelle Julie. Elle est française. Elle habite à Paris. Elle est élève et a 15 ans. Elle a les cheveux bruns.
Let's say I'm doing only till here and I'm clicking on Valider la dictée. So, number of faults it is showing. And then here, this is the text original, which the person said. And this is the text which I had typed. So you can rectify your errors that way. And the last website that I have for you is lingua.com. It is also completely free of cost. Here you have a number of dictées. Let's say I am clicking on this. So here you can listen to the text. Again, you can type whatever you are hearing. I'll show you an example.
Lingua.com, dictée. Aujourd'hui, je ne sais pas quoi faire. Aujourd'hui, virgule, je ne sais pas quoi faire, point. Je me demande si je ne vais pas aller me promener dans la forêt. Je me demande si je ne vais pas aller me promener dans la forêt, point. Je vais demander à Anna de venir avec moi. Je vais demander à Anna.
So I'll stop it. I'm doing only till here. Verify la dictée and you'll be able to see your errors over here. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Mention your comments in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for all the updates and reminders. And I'm going to see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir. À bientôt et bisous bisous.